Hey tech enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh, your ultimate solution for endless power on the go. Tired of your phone dying midday? This high-capacity portable charger can recharge your iPhone 6+ times, meaning days without a wall outlet. With its massive 20,000 mAh capacity, it's not just for phones. Power up tablets, smartwatches, and more multiple times over. What makes it truly special is Anker's Power IQ technology, intelligently optimizing charging speed for any device you plug in, ensuring the fastest possible charge. Plus, with dual USB ports, you and a friend can charge simultaneously, making it perfect for travel or busy days. Unlike generic power banks, Anker delivers reliable, fast, and safe charging, backed by a trusted brand. If you're looking for the best portable power bank for your adventures or everyday needs, this is a game changer you need to see. Check out the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh on Amazon using the link in the description to grab yours today. Imagine the freedom of never worrying about a low battery again, whether you're camping, commuting, or just out and about. For anyone needing a powerful, reliable, and smart portable charging solution in 2025, the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh is my absolute top recommendation.